Alright guys, so I got the new bike here. It is a 2001 Suzuki RM125. Picked it up on Craigslist for 1300. I talked him down to. It's really nice actually. It starts first kick, has a lot of grid power. There is a couple things that I plan on doing to it, like getting the V-force reeds, gonna get an FMF fatty pipe, and then probably a shorty silencer, because what's on there now, they're both stock. And if you're wondering, that oil coming out of there is because it was just running rich. The way that the guy had it jetted wasn't right for the premix ratio, so there's that. Pro taper, hand grips, fully rebuilt, bottom and top end, before I bought it. Guy took it apart and just rebuilt everything and then put it back on Craigslist. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. Runs great. Guess I'll start it up for you guys to see. So yeah, overall, it is a really nice bike. Could use some work, but I am really happy with the purchase. So more videos will be coming soon, so you guys could look forward to that. And yeah, it's been it. Peace.